Alright, now this one is tricky. The reason why is because it has this little 2 right here. He's like a little spy. You cannot combine these natural logs, these logs right here, unless there's no number in front of it except for a 1. So how can I get rid of that 2? You guys know have an idea? Is there a property that tells me I can do something with that 2? You could pop them. You could say natural log of x plus 2 raised to the second power.
Right, so you can put them back.
See? Okay, now that we only have a log, we can condense this. So it would be natural log of x plus 2 squared divided by negative x. Why did you divide? Because it said minus right here. Dog, stop yelling. Alright, how do I get rid of this natural log? What is the base for this natural log? E. Okay, so that means this e cancels out with that natural log, and I'm left with x plus 2 raised to the second power over negative x equals 1.
So each of the zeros wrong.
Yeah. So let's multiply both sides by negative x, and I get x plus 2. We're going to square that, and this is negative x over here. Now there's a little more work to do. We must multiply, or, do this power right here. So it's going to be x plus 2 times x plus 2. You can't just distribute the power because of the addition sign. Alright, let's see what we get now. Let's finish this Dalgate up. We got x squared plus 4, x plus 4, and then we're taking that and we're going to set that equal to negative x. I add x to both sides, so now I have x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Now I can factor it. We have x plus 1 times x plus 4 equals 0. My two answers, actually I think my two answers, are negative 1 and negative 4. Well, either of these give me a negative inside the natural logarithms. Let's see. Let's plug them in.
Plug them in, Patty. Do it to it.
Alright, we have natural log times a 2. No, you don't want me to do it?
No.
I gotta plug in negative 1. Let's see. Does that give me a negative number in there?
No.
Natural log negative 1. Okay, so right here I think we're good because we get a positive 1. And right here I think we're good because negative 1 is just a positive 1. Okay, so 1, you passed. Alright, yay, you get a smiley face. Not really, I'm going to take you away. Alright, now let's try negative 4. If I take away this negative 1 and try negative 4 right there, do y'all see the problem? Let's see, we got negative 4 and negative 4. This one's cool because it becomes positive. So we have minus natural log of positive 4. But then look at this. What is negative 4 minus 2?
Negative 2.
Oh, snap. Are we allowed to have a negative number inside of a logarithm? Not dag. Not dag. That means you are an extraneous solution. Sorry, negative 4. Alright, attacking number 12. That was kind of interesting. Alright, I'm going to put this log on the other side. There might be another way to solve this, but this is the way I'm thinking right now. I have log x, and then I'm going to have a plus another log x. What? That's weird. And then we have a 2 over here. How'd you do that? I simply added log x to both sides. I could have just wrote 2 log x instead of writing them both, but this is how I chose to write it. Alright, so how do I write this as one log? Yeah, log x squared. Oh, you guys are getting the hang of this, I think. At least that person did, the one that shouted out the answer.
Oh my gosh, I actually did it right.
All right, my students, how do I get rid of that log?
Let's see here, Mr. Patty. Raise it to the base 10.
Oh, very good, weird voice. All right, we got base 10 and log cancel out. I have x squared equals 100. You said 100? Yeah, I said 100. All right, how do I get that x alone? Square root the foo. All right, where's my, there you are. Square roots. Alright, we have x equals plus or minus 10. There's a positive 10 and a negative 10. Whenever you square root inside of an equation, you must put plus or minus. Now, do both those answers work? Does a positive 10 work? And does a negative 10 work? Let's see. Let's plug them in. Let's see here. I get my red pen. That's kind of like my checking.
Negative 10.
Okay, let's see. Log of negative 10 equals 2 minus log of Are we allowed to have a negative inside of a log? No. Negative, get out of here. You're not welcome. Now, if I change these to positives, it's just going to be positive 10 there, positive 10 there. Am I allowed to have a positive 10 in there?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, Filio Mulios. Alright. Oh, this actually makes a lot of sense. Do you guys know what log of 10 is? Uno. Another log of 10. Uno. Is that true? Does 1 equal 2 minus 1?
Yep.
Heck yeah, Filio Mulios. What is a mulio?